recently yene penya oda NCCE etwetwe nkomo on this issue na oka bibisa penya owura Victor Brobe on na ye NCCE director
sure.
na no mbe ye dwumadie bi ewo Kwame Nkrumah pom
okay
na omo eye emrantie no democracy
okay
ene mabunu no ne sa nyoma no in fact na very powerful NCCE for no ebe yes education no said ebe ya amrantie no ntokwa nsem no mu bejai
right
na ye ne twetwe nkomo wie ya wo kire se ekwan be kire mabunu said ebe ya ntokwa ne amemus o meti sa nyoma na se yie no o wie ne ebusa na fa sa enubodne no ho NCCE for ede na moye momienti owura Victor Brobe a oye NCCE director.
Introduced the NCCE, we do civic education in a broad range of issues. So we are focused on democracy and governance and rights, but we are even focused when the need arises on public health issues. So for example, during COVID, we are amongst the lead organizations that were doing public education on COVID. In terms of public health issues that are topical right now, certainly it has come to our notice that there is what appears to be fairly disturbing increases in the number of young people who are abusing certain kinds of drugs. I mean, we've always had substance abuse challenges amongst our youth in Ghana, but this new opioid-based drugs, I think popularly known as red, some called tramadol. This seems to be spreading much faster and appears to have far more socially detrimental consequences than the previous substance abuse epidemics that we faced. And it's certainly something that is going to be our focus going forward. We've had conversations about this at the commission level just this week. And we are going to be rolling out efforts this year on just to challenge our regional officers and our district officers to go out and discuss this issue and incorporate that in our programming going forward.
All right. Inti Era Victor Brobe or NCCE director.
Sure.
National. And no, they to say NCCE for no so be yiro mo.
Sure.
Na oma education.
Very relevant.
Because at least every day bia no on the mental health in the begusua multimedia and so begusua. Te said the galam say ho asem no. Ye be mo hu nti ye nka ne ba akope. One of the projects na.
Sure. Surely starting from the month of April, no?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we deal with substance abuse, but a lot of substances.
And here the NCCE director say, "Obo adwuma pa last week in Oba ha no, manage adwuma na oyɛ no. O2 mrante ne fo, efa etu trasem ho, democracy ho, oyade pa, ɛna osade red no so
they account.
Yeah.